Fezamarket versus Alibaba. Which platform can help you earn $100,000 faster? When it comes to choosing the right platform to grow your e-commerce business, Fezamarket and Alibaba are two powerful contenders. But if you're aiming to hit that $100,000 mark as quickly as possible, Fezamarket stands out as the ideal choice. Here's why. 1. Simpler and faster onboarding. Fezamarket streamlines the onboarding process, allowing you to set up your store and start selling in record time. Unlike Alibaba, which often requires more complex approvals and setup, Fezamarket focuses on helping you hit the ground running. 2. Tailored for local and global success. Fezamarket not only supports international drop shipping like Alibaba but also offers robust tools for local sellers. With its growing network, you can cater to both domestic and global customers, maximizing your revenue potential. 3. Affordable fees and higher margins. Fezamarket's seller-friendly pricing structure ensures that you keep more of your profits. With lower transaction fees compared to Alibaba, every sale brings you closer to your $100,000 goal. 4. User-friendly apps and website. Whether you're managing your business from a smartphone or desktop, Fezamarket's intuitive apps and website make it easier than ever to track sales, manage inventory, and grow your store. You're always in control, no matter where you are. 5. Dedicated support and guidance. Fezamarket's support team is ready to help you succeed. From personalized tips to hands-on problem solving, you'll feel supported every step of the way. Start your journey to $100,000 with Fezamarket. Ready to join the e-commerce revolution? Fezamarket is here to help you achieve your financial goals faster and more efficiently than ever before. Cell phone with Arrow. Download Fezamarket now on all major app stores or visit us online at www.fezamarket.com. Phone need assistance? Call us at +250,788,616,117 to get started today. Fezamarket isn't just a platform, it's your partner in creating a thriving e-commerce business. Take the leap and make your $100,000 dream a reality.